Hi friends, this is Atul Patrikar with Sahi Patrikar. So today we learn about how to use a string escape function in SQL Server. So basic overview of string escape function. Escape special character in text and returns text with escape characters. String escape is a deterministic function introduced in SQL 2016. So now go to the select any database, go to the new query. Okay. So before we write some query, so we give some basic overview. Uh, String escape function escapes special character in a string and returns the new string with escape character. So currently the string escape function only support escaping JSON special character. Okay. So the function name and the functions accept two parameters like input string and type. Type means JSON. Okay. So now declare one JSON string. Now set some JSON in single quote, double quote, ID. ID is 7, comma, again name. Name is Patrikar. Now let string underscore escape in bracket. So value. The value means our JSON string. Means JSON local variable. Comma. Type is JSON. So now execute. Now the JSON string created with back. Okay. So now execute. Now the JSON string created with back. Okay. So thank you for watching this video.
तू समझा? हाँ। नहीं, तू समझा नहीं।